Alright, how do we graph with a TI-83? We're going to do second y equals. Make sure L1, the first plot is L1 and L2. Alright, and make sure it's turned on so we can hit enter. And you see, if it were there, if that were it, would it be off? So we're going to do the arrow key, and it's on and enter. And then second quit. Alright, we also want to clear any lists that are already in there. So we're going to do stat, and then go down to number 4, and clear list, enter. And what do we want to clear? We want to clear L1 and L2 because that's what we're going to use. So we're going to do second L1 and comma second L2, enter. Now we cleared the list. Now we're going to input our data in the list. So we're going to click stat, edit. So we're just going to hit enter. And then we have our list. Notice the black is on the L2, so we're going to put it L1. L1 is going to be our x-axis, L2 our y. So whatever you want to put on the x-axis, you're going to put here. So let's say we wanted 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 to be on our x-axis. Now what do we want on our y-axis? We're going to put that on our L2. Like 8, 13.5, 21.7, 25.6, 34.5. So we have our L1 and our L2, our x-axis and our y-axis. And then we're going to hit graph to graph our data. And if you can't see it, you're going to hit zoom, 9, enter, so that you can see your data. And so there's your data. Now we want to know the best straight line through this data. So we're going to hit stat, and then we're going to move over to calc, enter, and then we are going to hit enter. Yikes. I hit the wrong button. Stat, and then calc, and we don't want vars. We're going to go down to linear regression, number 4, and hit enter. And linear regression, and it's automatically going to think L1 and L2. And if you want something else, you'll have to put it in, but we want L1 and L2. And then it tells us that A is equal to 2.17 and B is 1.13. So the slope is 2.17 and the y-intercept is 1.13. And now we know the slope and y-intercept for our data. Now you go try.